Well, this time we're heading on up into the gold country, up into the Motherlode, the foothills of the Sierra. We're passing through the little town of Sonora, and we're heading up into Columbia State Park, which is an old ghost town. Well, we had a surveillance camera up here in the parlor room, and you can see there's nobody here, but watch what starts happening in the mirror back here. All of a sudden, something's going on in there. As you can see from the camera, there's nothing moving here, and that reflection in the mirror is actually the reflection of our camera light. So it's looking as if our camera is being turned back and forth, but you can see there's no movement from the camera. And nothing else in the room is swinging or moving. Very strange. Now here's that same video, only speeded up by 4 times. When we came back up the following week to investigate the school, we stopped in here to check out this mirror situation, see if there was any vents or anything that could have wiggled that mirror, and there's no vents anywhere. And to wiggle it, you would definitely see it wiggling. But in this video, you don't see the mirror moving at all. Later on, Lenny and Elaine came out and started heading down the stairs, not realizing that they'd picked up this voice.
Oh, you shut the door. Oh, you shut the door.
This next sound is after we left the school, we packed everything up. We accidentally left one of the recorders sitting in the room overnight. These sounds came as we were driving away. One of the reports from the old schoolhouse is they hear kids playing outside. Well, there you go. We believe that's the sound of a jet going by. We heard a few of them go by that night. This is all going on around 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Then after the jet leaves, you can hear how quiet it gets. You can hear the crickets, and you can hear the little girl playing. The odd part is she sounds like she's playing with a bunch of people, but you only hear her. And then again, another bang from the room. You can watch all of our shows at seasideparanormal.com. Are you one of those few people who want to know more about life? Are you curious about the unexplained and the unknown? Then join us on a one-of-a-kind paranormal investigation. We can only take 4 people at a time. This is not a ghost tour.
What was that?
This is the real thing.